Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in a beautiful day in Addison, Illinois. I have this 1994 Pontiac Trans Am available for sale on this windy Chicago day. Nice exterior paint on the car, upgraded Corvette wheels as you can see there. Cloth interior, does have T-tops, and yes, the 6-speed transmission. Okay, how do you get the LT1 6-speed transmission and the T-tops all in one? Right here. Hard to find. Search the internet, see for yourself. Paint is really nice on the car, guys, for its age, really. It all appears to be original to the car, and the interior is super clean. When we Carfax this thing, it comes out to be 2 owners, no accidents. And it does claim that it's a 25th anniversary car. I do have the original white wheels for the car as well, along with the original radio in the trunk with the glass T-tops. But I know that these anniversary cars came with white interior. This one didn't. It was ordered this way, okay? So let's go for a little test drive. As you can see, everything is pretty clean. Let's do this. There you go. All right. Upgraded Kenwood radio as well. All right, I hope that doesn't fall off. This is really fun with the T-tops and 6-speed transmission, guys. Car sounds good. Police. All right, so I'm gonna go this way. Trans Am definitely sounds really good, aggressive. Goes down the road nice and smooth, nice and straight. Shifts into gear, no problem. Bust a little U-turn here and do my usual routes. A lot of traffic today. So on my way back here, I get a little on the car, only because I cleared for the cops. Yep. There's something in the glove box making a noise, so sorry about that. Yeah, it's the lock. It's the wheel. Lug lock there for the bolts. Dashboard is great. Everything functions on the car like it should. We're gonna extend this test drive a little bit, guys. Transmission shifts really good and hard. I love it. Clutch feels great. Let me get this thing out of the glove box. It's bugging me. Real nice and smooth. MGM Classic Cars is located in Addison, Illinois, guys, 60101. We have over 200 cars handpicked here in our warehouse. You guys can come by and check us out. All right. Let's do a drive around the building here. Please get a pen handy. You will need it. If you're a serious buyer, I will give you my phone number, and we can send you a quote for delivery. Car handles real nice. If you're looking for financing, you can definitely go to MGMClassicCars.com in Addison. MGMClassicCars.com. In the upper right-hand corner, you will see the finance application tab. Okay, you guys can check that out. Please call me or text me before you do an application, I want to make sure the car's still available, guys. But navigate the website. There's 200 cars there for you guys to search on. We buy them, we go through them, tell you about them, and we make a little money. We're entitled to that, right? We go to work every day. Everyone goes to work to make a little money. What a fun car, guys. For the money, I don't think you can find anything to have fun with than this for the money. Check us out on Facebook, like our page, MGM Classic Cars. We're on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, all that social media stuff. Check us out there. Go to our YouTube page, MGM Classic Cars, and subscribe to it for all our new arrivals. Guys, monthly payments are super low on this car. Check out my description for that. You will need 10% down. Credit at least a 620 and higher. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching MGMClassicCars.com.